My friends, it's a fig season, and so I thought we will cook this. Have a look. Orecchiette with gorgonzola and fresh figs, topped with a little bit of red salt and black pepper. You got it right, it's orecchiette with gorgonzola and figs. So come closer and then explain to you what you actually need for this dish. It's very simple, it's really amazingly simple. We need about 200 grams of gorgonzola. I got here the DOP version. I'm not sure if you can see this DOP mark, D-O-P. This means it's really a certified cheese. It's no fake production. This is really original production. We got these beautiful figs. I think, 6 of them. That will be enough for about 2 plates. And we will need, of course, orecchiette, also some 200 grams of those. About 50 milliliters of milk, a little bit of pepper, black pepper, and salt. It's really that simple. We will not need more. And let's start. You see, I have already started boiling the water because the sauce will be ready in about 5 minutes. Okay, so first step, we will heat up this pan or wok, whatever you have available, on a low to medium flame, but not too high flame. This is really important. We will add the milk and it will soon heat up. And at the same time, I will also cut some, about 200 grams of this gorgonzola. I think this will be enough, yeah. I remove this, this thing. This can remain there. This is all natural ingredient. And we will wait until this becomes all liquid. So next step is I will cut these figs. They have already been washed into these slices because we will add them also into the gorgonzola sauce. And you might have noticed here it's already cooking, so we can already throw in the orecchiette pasta. They have about 12 minutes of cooking time, and we will be ready in less than 12 minutes with the sauce for sure. So I keep cutting. And I will perhaps also cut them in smaller pieces and add them into the sauce. You see the gorgonzola is slowly melting, and once it is fully melted, it's ready to eat. My friends, you see, this gorgonzola has now completely melted. Meanwhile, I have also started smashing a little bit these figs. And if you're wondering, the skin is still on. Yes, you can also eat the skin of these figs. They are delicious, and these are small figs, so the skin is really soft. And so now we got about 3 minutes left of cooking time for the orecchiette, and then we are ready to stir everything. Okay, orecchiette are cooked, and let's now stir a little bit. We will keep them perhaps for 1 more minute here inside the hot sauce because I took them out 1 minute before al dente, and the final minute of cooking we will do it inside the gorgonzola sauce so it can nice soak all this cheese. Orecchiette with gorgonzola and fresh figs, topped with a little bit of red salt and black pepper. Okay, so thanks for watching, my friends. I hope you enjoyed this video. Down there in the description field you will find all the ingredients, and also down there you can put the thumb up. By the way, I know there's always this one person who likes to put the thumb down. Thank you also to you for watching the video, and buon appetito! Really interesting taste.